unemployment is one of the major causes of poverty. Because being unemployment means you're unable to support yourself. You can buy your needs since you don't have to job to support yourself. You can buy the basic needs of your human solution for unemployment was to seek reputable jobs that we can cause a huge benefits for you. Find a job that can help you provide your basic needs as a human being. By doing this, we can lessen the case of poverty that has been going in the Philippines for decades now.
Kumakalam ng mga tiyan, tagu-taguan, bilang na ang mga buwan. Bumangon ka na riyan, kumakalam ng mga tiyan.
Debt causes poverty by consuming income that would otherwise go to necessities, trapping individuals and nations in a cycle of borrowing and repayment. For individuals, that means less money for food and housing, often exacerbated by insecurity and overspending. Here the solution of debt problem. Try to negotiate an agreement with the people of your away money to change the dates and amounts of your payments based on your budget. Try to consolidate your debts with one financial institution.
Pregnancy is a major factor in continued poverty of Filipinos because it prevents young people from completing their educations, leading to fewer job opportunities and lower incomes.
Lack of education arises from poverty, discrimination, poor infrastructure, weak teacher training, and conflict, leading to job limits and cycle of poverty. Solution include expanding access through school scholarship and technology, improving quality with teacher training and updated curricula, and building community partnership to ensure sustainable shared responsibility for every child education.